tutorial, you are going to learn how to make this peacock stitch. And it is just beautiful. This will be wonderful for scarves and blankets and just all kinds of table runners, you name it. This would be beautiful. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on this project. This is a 2-row repeat. You're going to repeat rows 2 and row 3. And I'm just using a medium 4-weight yarn for this and a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. You can use different types of yarns of your choice. I would, especially if you're new to crochet, I would use the recommended hook size that's on your yarn band. Let's make a slip knot. Wrap your yarn around your finger like this. Pull the yarn off your finger. Take your working yarn, the long strand, pull it through, make a loop, insert your hook, and pull to tighten. And you can rewind this. You can put it on slow mode if you're not sure how to do that. Okay, so this is going to be a multiple of 10. So let's go ahead and make 10 chains. Wrap your yarn around, pull through, loop on the hook. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, let's do 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so it's a multiple of 10. Now we're going to plus 1. And then we're going to have add one more for the foundation chain. Okay, so to get started, we're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So there's your first chain, there's your second chain. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Okay, if you would like, you can go ahead and put a stitch marker in this first stitch, first single crochet. Okay, so now we're going to skip the next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this 5th chain, we're going to make 9 treble crochets. So yarn over the hook twice. Insert your hook in that 5th chain. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You just made a triple or treble crochet. We're going to make 9 of these. So once again, yarn over your hook twice, insert your hook. In that same stitch, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You now have 2 trebles. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, you now have 3. Okay, so now you have 9 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so now you're going to skip the next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 5th chain, you're going to make a single crochet. So just insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so now you're going to skip 4 more chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 5th chain, you're going to put 9 trebles. Okay, so we just finished 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now you're going to skip the next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this last chain, you're going to make a single crochet. Okay, and here is what row 1 looks like. So for row 2, we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn our work, and we're going to make a triple crochet in this same stitch, in the same single crochet stitch. Okay, so now that we've got that, we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to skip the next 4 trebles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th treble we're going to make a single crochet. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now in this single crochet here, we're going to make 2 triple crochets. I call them triple and I call them treble, so they're the same thing. Okay, now you got that. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. In the 5th treble crochet, you're going to make a single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4 in the 5th stitch. Going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you're going to make 2 triple crochets in this last stitch right here, where your stitch marker is. Okay, that's 1. And we have 2. So row 2 is a repeat row. All right, let's do row 3. So for row 3, we're going to chain 1, turn our work. We're going to single crochet in the space between the first 2 trebles. So single crochet in between, just like that. And you can place your stitch marker there if you'd like on that first stitch, just so it doesn't get overlooked. Okay, now that you've done your single crochet, you're going to put 9 treble crochets in the next single crochet. One, 2, 3, and 9. Okay, so now you've got your single crochet, your 9 trebles. Now we're going to single crochet in between the 2 treble crochets. Okay, and now you're going to, on top of that single crochet, you're going to make 9 treble crochets. Okay, now you got your 9 trebles. Let's make a single crochet in between these last 2 stitches here, between the treble and the turning chain. Okay, so that was row 3. Now row 2 and 3 are your repeat rows. So let's go ahead and do row 2 again, just to show you one more time. You're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work. You're going to make a triple in that same single crochet. Okay, now you're going to chain 3, make a single crochet in the 5th stitch here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 in the 5th stitch here. Make a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make 2 trebles in the single crochet. That's 1. And 2. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the 5th stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. And now in that last single crochet, you're going to put 2 triple crochets. That's 1 and 2. Okay, and this can actually, when you're ready to end your project, can be your last row to end with. All right, so let's go ahead and do row 3, chain 1, turn your work, put a single crochet between the 2 trebles. Okay, and then we're going to have 9 trebles in the next single crochet. That's 1. Okay, so now we just finished our 9. Now we're going to single crochet between the 2 trebles. And we're going to go straight into 9 triple crochets right here in this next single crochet. Okay, so I just did my 9. Okay, now we're going to make a single crochet between the 2 trebles. Okay, and that's your rows 2 and 3 repeat. And like I said, if you would like to end the project, you can end with the shells or you can end with row 2. All right, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this. I think this is a beautiful stitch. And there's so much you can do with this. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.